President William Ruto erite mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ati ni eharĩirie kunanira njung'wa nake kwarĩrĩria maundu maria mangĩteithĩrĩria kunina githagathago kia uteti bũrũri-inĩ. Kuhitukira akaunti yake ya Twitter hwaĩ-inĩ waira, Ruto augite ati bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania kĩgomano-inĩ gĩa kwaramia mieke ya mawĩra gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika, na agicoka muthenya wa ũmũthĩ ni eharĩirie gucemania na Odinga hindi o yothe Odinga agenda. Ndumiriri ya Ruto yukite riri mwahu wa ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza mĩario-inĩ ya ũiguano ugite ati ni wĩharĩirie gucokereria mĩario indi mwena wa Azimio ugite no nginya wambe wamũkire watho wa gucoka metha-inĩ ya ũiguano kuma kuri anene a ngwatanĩro ĩno.
Always been ready. We have been more than ready to engage in talks. We were in the middle of those talks when the Azimio side pulled off the talks. We are prepared for the renewed talks to re-engage, but again we reiterate our position. All talks must be conducted within the parameters of the law.
The call for bipartisan resumption is not well meant, and to even say that you are calling to restrict them to IEBC is actually to add insult to injury. But more importantly, and I'm not in a position to comment. Even this comment I am commenting in my individual capacity, because my authority as the chair of the bipartisan talks was withdrawn when we were instructed to suspend and withdraw. And you know that even the churches have demanded that as a show of good faith, the KK side, through the president, should actually withdraw the finance bill, and then we have it renegotiated. One would have thought that if you are talking of good faith, you would start by saying, let us reconvene and start by discussing the cost of living. You cannot say...